Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate mousse using rice. First, rinse 1/2 cup of rice thoroughly. Then cook it with 2 cups of water until it's very soft and almost mushy. This is key for a smooth texture. Once cooked, let the rice cool completely. This step is important before moving on to blending, ensuring your mousse turns out perfectly. Get ready for a delightful treat. Next, blend the cooled rice with 1/2 cup of milk until it's incredibly smooth. You want no grainy bits. While that's blending, gently melt 4 ounces of your favorite dark chocolate. A double boiler or microwave on low heat works best. Once melted, carefully stir the rich, warm chocolate into your smooth rice mixture. This creates the delicious base for our mousse. It's starting to look amazing. Now let's add some sweetness and flavor. Stir in 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the chocolate rice mixture. For that airy mousse texture, whip 1 cup of heavy cream until soft peaks form. Be careful not to overwhip it. Finally, gently fold the whipped cream into your chocolate rice base. This lightens the mousse beautifully, giving it that classic, delicate consistency. Take your time with this step. Almost there. Carefully spoon or pour your delicious chocolate rice mousse into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl. Now comes the hardest part, patience. Chill the mousse in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This allows it to set properly and develop its full flavor. Before serving, you can garnish it with some chocolate shavings, fresh berries, or a dusting of cocoa powder. Enjoy your homemade, easy chocolate mousse.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.